Hi, thank you for taking the time to learn about the best CMR systems for our salon. As salon manager, I have done extensive research on two different systems that I believe would work best for us, best for our clients, and best for our stylists. As you know, we need a better system. We are losing so much client information by just writing things down on sticky notes and papers. We also don't keep track of customer records of what they got for their last appointments and what they got for cut and color. There's also so much miscommunication because we are overbooking and we are losing money when customers don't show up to their appointments. We need a better way of marketing. We also need a better way of marketing to reach more potential clients. This is going to make us more money and keep the salon going. The first system that I found is Booker. Booker by MindBody is a CMR system that has been very common in the salon industry because it is easy to use and both clients and staff can download the app to make appointments and keep track of client records. Scheduling appointments on by Booker is so easy. Booker makes things very simple by allowing clients to book appointments online or through the Booker mobile app. This is very convenient to both clients and the stylist because appointments can be viewed from anywhere by using the app. This means stylists don't have to be at the salon and have to look through notes to see when their next appointment is. Also reminders. Booker sends out reminders to when a client's appointment is. This would cut down on no-shows. Also, Booker, the clients can send back a confirmation that they know that they are coming, or they can cancel the appointment, and this allows the stylist to be able to book someone else in their spot. Also, Booker makes it easy to advertise open appointments. This is because they have partnered with the following distribution brands: Yahoo, Bing, Yellow Pages, and Super Pages. The more exposure on different websites, the more opportunity for potential customers. With Booker, you can also make social media posts to attract new customers and let existing customers know what specials are happening at the salon. Also, Booker keeps great track of customer records. Keeping track of customer records and personal information is extremely important. Also, being able to instantly pull up this information is also important because it saves time. It also saves the stylist time by knowing what cut and color a client got last appointment. Price. Booker is a little more on the expensive side, with the Essential package starting at $129 a month, the Accelerate package starting at $239 a month, and the Unlimited package at $349 a month. If we were to get this, we would probably need the Unlimited. This is because the Unlimited includes everything that Booker has to offer. And also it features automated email and text campaigns, customer feedback, rating and reviews, customer referral program, and advanced marketing reports. Now our next system we're going to look at is Vagaro. Vagaro is another popular CMR system that many salons have started using. The Vagaro app can easily be downloaded on both the stylist and client's mobile devices. This system makes it easy for clients to book appointments because it works as a salon search engine for clients. This also brings in potential new customers because when they search for salons nearby on Vagaro, our salon would pop up in their search. Scheduling. Scheduling appointments with Vagaro is very easy. Appointments can be made through the mobile app, through the salon website, or even through our Facebook page, and through our Instagram page. More and more people have started to book with salons that have the Instagram or Facebook booking feature because it is so quick and easy. Also, Vagaro sends out reminders. To cut down on no-shows, Vagaro can send out reminders to clients when they have an upcoming appointment. There are different options on how the reminders can be sent out. They can either be sent out by email, text messages, or push notifications if the client has the Vagaro app. Marketing is a new feature that Vagaro has included. Our salon will be able to create our own profile on Vagaro so that potential customers can find us easily and see what our salon has to offer. Another marketing feature that Vagaro offers are daily deals. Daily deals are an easy way for stylists to promote specials, discounts, and sales. According to research done by the Vagaro team, a salon is 4 more times likely to be booked if they have daily deals on their profile. Vagaro also keeps really good customer records. Keeping detailed customer records and having them organized is very important because it saves everyone time. With Vagaro, customer records can be easily pulled up by stylists from any device. Vagaro keeps customer information like contact information, past services, past purchases, notes on the clients, gift cards, and credit card information for easy payment. Another great feature with Vagaro is reports. Reports are very important for businesses so that they can compare sales and keep track of what is working and what is not working. Vagaro allows you to be able to pull up reports from their app or any other device. Also, Vagaro makes it easy for employees to get paid because there's a clock in and out feature that allows you to create different levels of commission for each stylist. This keeps everything organized and there's very little room for improvement. Price. Since we employ 5 employees, our total price would be only $65 a month. This plan would include online booking, a calendar of all scheduled appointments and open appointments, notification, reminders, and promotional information, customer tracking, marketing tools, reports and payroll, POS and credit card processing, and the mobile app. This is a great deal and would pay for itself. We could also cancel any time without any cancellation fees. In conclusion, Vagaro is the best choice for us because it's less expensive and has more to offer. Also, it has the potential to bring in more clients, which would bring in more money to the salon and the stylist. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that we can continue with the Vagaro CRM system in the future.